your advice is treat it as a notice board then, but still work to be done in terms of verification of the data that exists there.
Yeah, that's right. So long as everyone knows that, that's great. And I think the AML framework sort of says collect from the company, your beneficial owners, your directors, etc., and then verify that against independent second source. And so they do that with a company register here in Australia. And then if we get a beneficial ownership register, then FATF is just saying, well, they're not saying drop one, they're saying do all three. So then it becomes a question of, well, what problem are we solving if we're doing all three? And there's answers to that, because the registers, I said, is 80% okay. 20% of the time, there's nominee shareholders, and or the company's a corporate trustee of a trust, and then the trust is hiding the settlers and beneficiaries, and then you need to get the trust. And so the more complex the legal entity structure gets, the more complex it is for the bank, the more costly it is for the bank to do the risk-based assessment. And ultimately the legal entity that was trying to hide their identity doesn't, and it just costs them more to get on board, is how I think about it.